In this video, I'm going to show you how you can download and install Optifine for Minecraft. This is really easy and I'll show you everything that you need to do. So first, you want to go ahead and open up a web browser. The web browser I'm using is going to be Google Chrome, and you want to go ahead and head to a search engine. Again, I'm using Chrome. Then you just want to type in Optifine, and once you've done that, go to optifine.net. Make sure you're on this website. This is the official one for Optifine. Don't go and download it from anywhere else. So now we're on Optifine. What you can do, you can go to the downloads and you can read more about the features here, but I'm assuming you already know what the features do. Now you should see the versions that Optifine is available in. You've got the previous versions as well if you need it for a different version. Now you can go ahead and click on download and it will redirect you to this page here. Here you can go ahead and skip any advertisements that might be shown. Then it will redirect you to this page here where you can go ahead and download the file. So when it downloads, it's going to download as a .jar file. To run it, you're going to need Java installed. So if you don't have Java installed, you can go and install Java. So once it's downloaded here, you can just go and open that file straight away. It's then going to open an installation wizard. The window isn't big here, so I'll zoom in for you. It's then going to ask us where we want to install Optifine. I just leave it on the default and then click install. And it's then going to tell you Optifine is successfully installed. What you can do now is reopen Minecraft. So I'm just going to close it out first and then reopen it again. And now you can see we are playing Minecraft on the Optifine version. And all you've got to do now, if it's not there, just go ahead and select it. And then you can click play. And you can play with Optifine installed. I hope that video helped you out. Make sure you leave a like and comment down below.